Physics, technology, and society. The growth of all sciences and technologies to advance society depends heavily on physics, the most fundamental of all sciences. 1. Physics concerning science. Mathematics. Mathematics and physics are most closely associated, and physics uses mathematics as a tool for its development. Chemistry. The study and advancement of chemistry have greatly benefited from physics. The periodic table of elements was rearranged as a result of Moseley's law, which was developed from the study of X-ray spectra. Understanding the nature of chemical bonding and valency through the study of atomic structure allows us to comprehend complex chemical structures. Biological sciences. Biological sciences have immensely benefited from the study of physics as well. To examine the structure of leaves, frogs, fish, and other objects, an optical microscope is utilized. Even the structure of a cell can now be seen thanks to the development of the electron microscope. X-rays are used to make diagnosis. In radiotherapy, radioisotopes are used to treat cancer and other disorders. Despite this, several other sciences also make extensive use of physics. High-resolution telescopes have enabled astronomers to define the boundaries of the cosmos and have aided in finding of quasars, pulsars, and other astronomical objects. Every discipline of science relies on physics to advance. Number 2. Physics concerning technology. Technology and physics have a close relationship. Both physics and technology are developed through each other, and occasionally new physical concepts are created through technology. The discoveries of electromagnetic induction by Michael Faraday, 1791 to 1867, and the conversion of heat into work by James B. Joule, 1818 to 1889, have not only benefited society as a whole, but also served as the foundation for contemporary technology. Here are a few instances of how physics has influenced technology. Number 1. Many different machines were designed as a result of the research on lever systems. The designs of airplanes was influenced by the study of fluid flow. Heat engines were developed as a result of research into the conversion of heat into work. The design of the radio, television, computers, robotics, and other devices has been influenced by the study of semiconductors, junction diodes, and transistors. Number 5. Atomic bombs and nuclear reactors were developed as a result of research into nuclear fission. Number 6. The hydrogen bomb was created as a result of research into nuclear fusion. Number 7. The invention of the X-ray machine, which is extremely useful in the field of medicine, was made possible by the research of X-rays. Laser research has resulted in the development of devices that can cure cancer and remove kidney and gallbladder stones. Thus, it is clear that modern physics has improved technology and ushered in the Industrial Revolution. Number 3. Physics concerning society. Physics has had a tremendous impact on society. Physics-based inventions have an immediate impact on society. Transportation and communication advancements have brought the world closer together. Physics also has a significant impact on transportation. We can travel from one part of the world to another in hours or days. We are now able to travel to the moon. People from various cultures have congregated in one location due to frequent intermixing. As a result, transportation has become inextricably linked to human society as a whole. The inventions of telephones, cell phones, and email allow us to quickly exchange messages between distant locations. Radio and television has enabled us to communicate instantly and enjoy ourselves at home. The ability to view live events anywhere in the world has been made feasible through the uses of artificial communication satellites. At home, we may watch live cricket and football games. Nowadays, every retailer has a calculator on hand for quick computations. Robots, computers, and lasers have altered how people think. Every home has a washing machine for washing clothes and a refrigerator for storing food like milk, butter, fruit, and vegetables safely. The advancement of physics has made life simpler. As well as being used to create devastating bombs, nuclear energy is also employed to generate electricity. Bombs of all kinds are a burden on human society. There are initiatives to forbid the development of bombs and missiles and promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy for the good of society.